Hey friend, in this video, I'm going to show you how to start an LLC in Texas, and this is going to take you less than 10 minutes to do. Not too long ago, I started my very own business in the state of Texas, and it forever changed my life. So make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with as many people as you know. So just for y'all, I've included some extra tips that's going to help you get free money to help you start and fund your business.
Now let's get into why you need an LLC. And so an LLC is a limited liability company. It means that you are separated from your business. And so if your business were to unfortunately have debts or other obligations, you would not, as an individual person, be held liable for what your business owes.
When it comes to starting an LLC, the first step is choosing a business name. There are 3 rules that you should follow when it comes to your business name. The first rule is that your business name must not match any other business name within your state. Rule number 2 is that you want to make sure your domain is available. To give you an example, my YouTube channel is Darcy's Business. I made sure before I went ahead with this name that www.DarcysBusiness.com was available. And the best place to get a affordable domain and website is through Hostinger. The third rule is that you don't want a business name in a high-risk industry. So you don't want to include construction or gambling in the actual name of your business, as banks are going to be like, I don't want to give you any money. Step 2 is choosing your state of formation. In this case, we're choosing the best state, the state of Texas. And so in the state of Texas, there is no income tax, which looks really nice when tax time comes around. So that is a huge benefit that you get when you form an LLC in the state of Texas. The next step you need to do is choose a registered agent. A registered agent is a person or business that takes paperwork during normal business hours on behalf of your business. It is recommended that a business acts as a registered agent and not a person. What's great is that the company that we're going to form our articles of organization with, which is the official paperwork for our business, also offers registered agent services. And so now it's time to head over to ZenBusiness and get our LLC set up. An easy way to access this website is by clicking the link in my description.
So here we are on ZenBusiness's homepage. And so you're going to start off by entering in your business name, and then you're going to click Start Now. It's going to give you a brief overview of the steps that you'll walk through in order to submit the application for your LLC to be formed. And so we have 5 steps that won't take too much time to complete. And so now we need to select the state. We know it's going to be Texas, and then we're going to select Next. Now it's going to ask us, how much experience do you have running a business? Most likely this is your first time, so we're going to say none. Will your business have employees in the first year? If you plan on being a single member LLC and going strong with you and your business, you're just going to say no, just me. For the next question, it's going to say, will your business address be different from your home address? And so since you follow me, you know not to use your home address. You should go with a virtual office in order to protect your home. Even though it's more affordable, if you use your home address, it will be public record, which means that anybody can find your home. And so your business address will be different than your home address. For the next question, it's going to ask us, how far along is your business? We're going to say it's going to be launching soon. And so this is an important question. What are our business goals? Is it a side hustle, a primary income, or is it the next big thing? I personally want my business to be my primary income. I bet you do as well. So let's say primary income. Now it's going to ask, what kind of business are you forming? We are forming an e-commerce business. Yes, we have moved on to section 2, which is learn about LLC requirements. And so we can decide to appoint ZenBusiness as a registered agent, or we'll appoint it ourselves. And so we are going to let ZenBusiness take care of it for us. This will be an additional charge of $199 once the formation is complete. Next, it's going to ask us, what package do we want to go with? The starter, pro, or premium. And so when I started, I got the pro package because of the worry-free compliance, which meant that ZenBusiness was going to help me file my annual report and make amendments or changes to my paperwork if I needed to throughout the year. And so the pro plan is a great plan to go with. Now it's going to ask us about their banking services. Because it's free for the first month, we are going to keep this, but if we don't like it, we're going to make sure that we remember to cancel. So let's sign up, let's get it free, and let's test it out. And it's very important that we at least have 2 bank accounts, just in case one bank decides to pause or close down your account for suspicious activity, or for a variety of other reasons, you always want to have a backup. And so we're going to go with this bank and another one I'm going to mention a little bit later. And then it's going to say, do we want to try their bookkeeping services? And then it's going to ask about the website builder. Ooh, this is free for the first month as well. And so you get to test out all of this. You can get a website and a bank all from the same formation company. ZenBusiness does truly try to set you up well. So we're going to try this out as well for the first month for free. And then it's going to ask us about business documents and whether or not we want to pay for that. And so it includes liability waivers, employment agreements, contracts, and proposals. Most of these things we can find online for free, so we're going to say no thank you to this. What I like about ZenBusiness is that they say 100% accuracy guaranteed. If they mess up, they're going to fix it. And so that's nice to know, especially when setting up something so important as a business. And so we're going to click continue to review page. So the total for today is $499. $199 for the Pro plan, as well as $300 for the Texas state filing fee. And then once the business is formed, it's going to be an additional $199 for the registered agent services. And so in total, it's going to cost about $700, including state fees. But knowing you, you're going to apply to ZenBusiness's grant and take home $5,000. And so all of that information will be linked in the description below.
Great. I am so proud of you. You are now legit. You have an LLC. It is party time. There's just a couple more steps that I want to talk about so that you have the best chance of being very successful with this business. And so once you get those articles of organization back from ZenBusiness, it's now time to get an EIN. An EIN is an employer identification number. It's like a social security card, but for your business. And so you can get an EIN for free from the IRS website. I'll include all links in the description. Once you have that EIN, you're gonna then go to Relay and open up a business bank account. It's important that you get a business bank account so that you can separate your personal income and expenses from your business. It makes it 10 times easier when tax time comes around, and it also makes it easier to know how much money you have as well as how much your business is spending. And so it's going to be really nice when you receive that first check or payment into your business bank account. Now that you have the bank account, it's now time to apply to grants. And so there is so much free money out there for businesses. To give you one example, Beyonce is giving away $10,000 to Houston-based salon business owners. And so if that is you, go get this free money, because I have a list of over 50 grants in the Business Grant Vault, which is the all-in-one place for everything grant. It's now time to file important paperwork to make sure your business is in compliance. So in order to do that, you need to file the BOI report. This stands for the Beneficial Ownership Information Report. You need to fill out this report within 90 days of forming your business. I've included a step-by-step video on how you can fill out this form right here. But you do need to fill out this form within 90 days. If you don't, you can face a lot of fines and even jail time. And so it's a very important report that you need to fill out. The second thing that you need to do is file an information report with the Texas Comptroller. If you get your taxes filed by a professional, they can file this form for you. If not, you can file this form for free on the Comptroller website. So this form is due every year by May 15th. You might also see the No Franchise Tax Due report. This report is no longer required as of 2024 if you make less than $2.4 million annually. And so in most cases, you don't need to worry about the No Franchise Tax Due report. And so there you have it. You have these simple steps to go out and set up an LLC in the state of Texas. I want you to go out, secure the money, and stay building. I cannot wait to see you next time. Peace, stay building.